Hi friends, this is David Gomm in the Stained Glass Studio, and on this Tech Tip Thursday, I'm getting ready to send out some windows to a farm down in Texas. And I've got to send them UPS, and so I've got to send them a certain way. And I thought you might benefit from being able to see how we do it, so that when you need to ship something UPS, you can do the same. All right, so first of all, what we have to do is we have to put 2 inches of foam on the window anytime we ship it. And so we'll just go around. Okay, so now I'm going to mark it here. And I'm going to mark it, here. Now the 2-inch stuff is pretty stout. It's a real challenge to break. Place it on the side of it and then over the other duct tape so that it has something to stick to. Okay, now I've got 2 inches out here on either side of the glass, and I need 2 inches this way. So Now that's a beautiful package. It's got 2 inches on the outside edge all the way around, but it's still only got 1 inch on top. So now what we do is we take our 1-inch foam, because what I'm going to do is take it to the UPS store and I'm going to talk to them about it. You see, I've got 2 inches of foam all the way around now. That's pretty lightweight package, and I know that it can be thrown around and bounced a bit, but it may need to be put in bubble wrap and in another box. So that's what I'm going to talk to them about. I'm also going to talk to them about whether or not I can put more than one window in the same package. You know, if I could save a lot of foam if I could simply put a 1 or 2 inch piece in between each one and then build a big package, but then it might be more dangerous. So I'm going to talk to them about that, and after I get back from the UPS store, I'll finish up with you. Well, as you can see, I'm packaging up another one. And the reason is because I went over to the UPS store and found that the extra that I have to pay for a box and have it put in with bubble wrap is $8. If I had taken the glass to them, then it would have cost me $29. They would have packaged it up. Well, if I go $29 with this, I've got the $8 box plus about $10 worth of foam. So it's still less money for me to do it myself. Therefore, I'm going to pack these up. There's this is number 2, and there's a total of 10, so I'll do a few more. I'll do a couple of them a day. I hope you find this instructive for you and I'd love to hear how it goes for you, how you ship your glass. All right, thanks for joining us.